Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Y'all, today I'm going to be showing y'all a little recipe that if you have never made this, trust me, you are going to want to watch this and make this for your family because it is a winner. And this is going to be a cream cheese cherry candy cane. Just in time for Christmas. It's just going to be shaped in the shape of a candy cane. Now I've made these little pastries and stuff with all kind of variations. You can use whatever kind of fruits you want. You can use jelly. Today we are using cherry pie filling. And you also can substitute the cream cheese stuff for the Philadelphia cream cheese. I've never bought it in the tub. Honestly, I don't know what it tastes like to make the cheesecakes. But I'm going to just show you a quick little way that you don't have to do those because that stuff is fairly expensive. And we're trying to be thrifty and whoop up some good stuff.
Yeah.
Yes. Now I'm going to go ahead and start my little cream cheese goodness right here. You just need an 8-ounce block of cream cheese. I was hoping this is going to come out right. Oh, it didn't do too bad.
Yeah, you did all right.
Yeah, Russell didn't do the shopping, so he always gets the Philadelphia. Honey, I get what's on sale and what's cheap.
Notice who's struggling.
Notice who's struggling, that's
Yep.
right. But I saved a little bit of money. Anyway, all right, now we're going to do just a half a cup of just regular granulated sugar. And it goes. Now we're going to put just a smidgen of vanilla flavoring. Whoops. I'm going to put about a half a teaspoon of that in here. Now I am also going to add just a little bit of lemon, just because I like the lemon, just a little hit of a lemon, a little taste of lemon in there. You totally don't have to do that. We
Give
can
it
just
a little
do,
different.
Yeah, just a little what's up. Yeah, just a little
hint.
citrus, just a little tiny bit.
Yeah.
I love lemon with fruit, with different fruit. You know, like blueberry and lemon, all that goodness. All right. I'm still trying to get all my goodness right there. I'm just going to give this a little blend real quick. All right, that is nice and creamy, like a cheesecake filling. Look at that. It smells so good. Boy, that lemon just smacked me in the face, like for real. Smack me, you hear me?
Creamy, delicious.
Uh-huh. Now, we'll just set this aside. And I've got my little crescent. Now I did, these on sale too, it was $5 for two. So that wasn't so bad. But I did do the Pillsbury on that. And we're going to scoot this to the side. Now, what we're going to do, make a lot of racket, that's what I'm doing. Yeah. We're going to open these up. Now this is enough for either 2 candy canes or just one big one. So, let's see. I'm still undecided what I'm going to do. As I'm talking right now, I'm still undecided. All right, we're going to get these out. Unroll them. So there's 8 of these. I think I'm just going to make one big one. I think that's what we're going to do. I'm just going to go across them like this with my little pizza gadget here. And whoop, look at me doing big things. Now we are going to lay them the wide side in on the inside, right down the middle. You want that wide.
Okay. Can't video it.
All right. How about this?
Yep.
All right. All right. We're going to place the wide side right there. You want it to line up like this. And we're going to just keep on layering these just like that. You want a little gap right here because you're going to see what we're doing with it.
Oh, I think I understand what you got going on there. Maybe so.
Like I said, I have made these all kind of different ways. Now, we've not had it in the shape that I'm going to do it in.
Right. We haven't had it
No,
Christmassy.
we've not had this. And I thought, oh, this is wonderful.
But they are good. I can vouch for that. I have had them.
Good.
We've had them strawberry.
Oh my
we've had them
gosh.
cherry. We've had them blueberry. We've had them. Oh man.
Honey, I've taken the jelly out of the refrigerator and just did apple or grape or just some wedges. Yes, we did.
I mean, they're absolutely fantastic.
They really are. This was one of the sweet little treats my children really enjoyed. All right. It's really kind of long. I mean, it's really long enough. It's going
to be a big tree.
Oh, Lord, look at there. And listen, if you do this like I just did, it's real forgiving. You just mash it right back together. It's going to be all right. No worries. I think I'm just going to do 2. All right, I'm going to scoop this up. I don't want to get in your way. I probably should have just laid this out flat, not in the pan. Now we're going to mash this just like this. We'll kind of mash it because we need a little strip of goodness to put this cream cheese and all that cherry on. So we'll mash it out. Getting it wide. Just like so. Okay, so now we're going to just scoop this little cream cheese goodness right here. I'm just going to kind of drop it along there. We'll come back and get it smooth. We got to save enough for the other half, the other one. Like I said, this makes 2 of these. If you wanted to stop and just do 1, you can do that, but just, you know, half the recipe, only half a block of cream cheese, 1/4 cup of sugar, that sort of thing. Y'all know how to math, I'm sure. I don't need to tell you. All right, I'm just going to smooth this out. I might have too much on here. I might put some back. How about that?
It's looking a little thick.
I love cream cheese, though. I really do.
Yeah, ain't nothing wrong with it.
I do enjoy it. All right. Got that like so.
Yeah.
I think it's going to work just fine. Now, the cherry on top, honey. We are going to put some of this cherry goodness right on top of it.
Uh-oh. I'm looking forward to this. Yummy.
Right on the round. I'm trying not to do it too thick on this because it might just come out. Yeah, it might just come out a little bit. We're going to get these cherries, our little cherries all in a row. Looking good already.
Looking neat, looking neat.
All right. Now, fun part. We are going to take this little loop and just loop it right over, and we're going to tuck it. Just like so. I'm going to just fold this one right here. You can do it however you want to. We're going to tuck. Just fold and tuck. Fold and tuck. Russ is wondering how this is going to turn into.
Yeah, I was trying to figure it out. I was trying to figure it out, y'all.
He was. I said, just trust the
process. Trust the process, she said.
That's what I said. That's what I told him.
She said, just hold on and trust the process. It's going to work out.
Till your little britches right over there. Hold on,
I was like, I'm not seeing no candy cane in this. I don't know where you're going with it. I'm not really.
He was doubting me, y'all.
I'm not really seeing the whole thing here, how this is working.
All right, now that we've got that on here like this, I was wondering if I should tuck that. I guess I will. Now we're going to hold. We're going to pull this up
Let me help
and
you.
just turn it. Look at there. We're just going to turn it. Just like so. Just go back through and do it again.
Well, now
Look at there.
Now
It's looking like a candy cane,
Now
huh?
I can say.
He sees it.
I see it. I see what you're doing.
Now, it ain't got to be absolutely perfect. Listen, homemade makes it even better. When you give some homemade gifts, or like I said, this is just the perfect little appetizer. Take little parties or wherever you want to do it.
Well, I see what you're doing now.
Yep. You're getting it, ain't you?
Yeah.
Now, I have some just some egg wash, which is just one beaten egg with a little bit of water, a teaspoon of water in it. We're going to brush it just like so because we want it to have the pretty crust. We're just going to do it just like this. Now, I have my oven set at 375. It does not take long, maybe about 20-25 minutes. And while this one's going, I'm going to go ahead and get that second one ready. And me and y'all have already seen this. I'm going to get it ready. And we'll be back when it's ready. I'm going to make a little glaze to go over this. Now, you can do this one or two ways. You can just sprinkle it with some powdered sugar like I did that Christmas tree, or you can do the little glaze. I think the little glaze on the pastry, though, to me, is going to be good. So that's what we're going to do today. So I'm going to put this in that oven, 375 degrees, and see you in a minute. All right, while my little candy canes is in the oven just doing and doing, I am going to whip up this glaze real quick. I've got about a tablespoon of just soft butter, and I've got a cup of powdered sugar. Actually, it wasn't quite a cup in there. I probably need to add a little more. And we're going to just give this a little stir real quick. The good thing about this glaze, y'all, if it's too thick, honey, add some more sugar. If it's too thin, add a little milk. So I'm going to put my flavoring in first. And I'm going to do just a little of the lemon and a little of the vanilla, just like I did in the cheesecake part of it. Cream cheese. And boy, that lemon smells good. Just hits me in my face. About a half teaspoon is what I got of that. Now I've got 2 tablespoons of milk. I'm just going to pour a little bit. Then we're going to give it a stir, see where we're at. And I'll just do a little bit more. Like I said, if it's too runny, if you mess up and just pour it all in there and it's just a gloppy mess, then just add a little more sugar. But we do want this a little thin because we want to be able to pour it on there. Just give it a stir. And the more you stir it, the looser that it will get. So no worries. And I'm just going to set this aside. Wait till my little candy canes is done. Y'all, this is going to be close to the cherry on top.
Yeah, man.
Close to it. We got that cherry in there.
Man.
Goodness,
Just
I
take
tell
a
you
spoon
what.
and eat that right out the bowl.
Lordy. And a little tip, if you don't know, if you want to add a little Karo syrup in here, it makes it shiny. And I even add a little buttermilk to mine sometimes. It gives just a little tang to it. It's really good. But, and I'm sure I've got that recipe. I think I had that on that lemon blueberry loaf with buttermilk. That's all there is to it. I'm just going to set it to the side. Actually, I might just do a little bit more milk because we want it to pour right over it.
Looking good.
Yep. But I said start with about 2 tablespoons of milk. And this is truly, you measure with your heart on this. And your eyeballs. You just eyeball it. That's all there is to it. We're going to wait. We got a few more minutes on it. And then we're going to get to the good part, tasting it. Here it is, y'all.
Ooh-wee.
Yummy. Mercy.
She be looking good.
She does look good. That little egg wash on it. Got it nice and brown. And then we just go
Golden.
glaze it up. Yes. Right, it's all done. Ready for this one.
Man,
Are you ready for it?
I don't know if I'm ready or not.
You ready? Go ahead.
It looks delicious.
We know it's good.
We do. I've had this a lot.
A lot. Just not in the shape of a candy cane.
Well,
Tell them.
the shape of the candy cane
it.
don't affect the taste at all. It's still fantastic. Man, warm. Oh my goodness.
Little
Melt in your
flaky.
mouth. Golly.
That warm, gooey goodness on the inside. The
gracious.
sweetness of the cherry.
Ooh, y'all.
Good.
I'm telling you. If you want something good to eat, this is very, very good.
Fix your family one of these, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
You can do this. I was telling him, I said you could do this in the shape of a heart for Valentine's Day. You can just be creative. Just do whatever you want to do with it. But and you can if you just need one, which one goes a long way.
Yeah.
I was showing y'all the full recipe, but one goes a long way. You just split it. Just half that recipe. In fact, I may
Sharing
just do.
is caring, y'all.
That's
I got
right.
sharing is caring in my brain.
Sharing is caring. We got a lot of little grandbabies we share with.
Yeah.
But you have a big family, 2 is good, or a little Christmas party, 2 is good. I can put the full recipe, and like I said, you can just split it in half.
This is a great Christmas Eve.
It is. We
get
always have
together
little
with
goodies on Christmas
You
Eve.
have your babies and have some cocoa, or have you a pot of
Hot
coffee with
chocolate.
the. Man, I had to brew a pot. I don't know if y'all heard it in the background.
Yeah, I think we did.
Yeah. If y'all hear some noise in the background, like
This
what's that
coffee's
noise?
getting right.
The
It's
coffee
getting
was
ready.
coming. I had to have a cup with this.
Yes.
Yeah.
But it's going to be at our little Christmas Eve. We always do that with the children so they can spend Christmas Day with their little babies. And so they all come to Gigi and Papa's for Christmas Eve. And we do all little hors d'oeuvres and little appetizers and just have a big old time. Big old time with them little babies. And but anyway, this is a good one, y'all.
It is.
Try this one.
Fantastic.
Yes.
And if you don't like cherry, like she said,
Anything.
any jelly, any kind of fruit, you know, it goes. That cream cheese goes with it. Just about any kind.
And
of
if you
fruit.
don't like fruit, you can do it with just the
cream cheese
Just do a
itself.
cream cheese Danish. That's what it tastes like,
It really
except
does.
it's nice and warm and hot out the oven. Like when you buy them and you zap them for a few seconds, and it's just
Man.
like, it hits different. Just hits
It
different.
does hit different, y'all.
So, but this one is so good, y'all. And I hope that everybody watching, I hope y'all have a Merry Christmas.
Yes.
I hope you have lots of little goodness, and hope all your pastries are flaky and all your sweets are sweet.
Yeah.
And we hope you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Yeah, and have good times with your family, and
That's what it's all about,
Yeah.
spending some
Yep.
quality time with your family.
Yep.
But anyway, well, until next time.
Peace.